How is it going, guys? Thanks a lot for joining me for another beer review, looking at a beer from a new brewery to the channel today. From a Belching Beaver brewery, today's beer is Peanut Butter Milk Stout. Loving that label. That's like super Canadian, but it is not a Canadian brewery. It's from Oceanside, California. 5.3% alcohol by volume. Let's get it poured. Beautiful color to this. Super dark brown color. Huge head on it. And wow, I can smell that from here. 2-3 fingers of a fluffy, frothy brown head, and yeah, beautiful brown color. Let's get an aroma. That is very peanut butter forward. Yeah, that smells like peanut butter. Hints of chocolate in there, maybe a little bit of coffee, but it is straight peanut butter. Alright, let's try it out. Cheers. That is delicious. Holy crap. I'm not the biggest peanut butter fan, but this is, yeah, it's like drinking a Reese cup. That's 100% what this is. It's a coffee, vanilla, dark chocolate in there, but mainly like milk chocolate, tons of peanut butter. Friggin' delicious. I would like a little bit more body to this, but like an imperial version of this would be phenomenal. But that being said, they absolutely nailed what they're going for. Like 5.3%, you could drink tons of it. It's not too sweet. Just the right amount of sweetness. Yeah, this is something I could drink literally all the time. Peanut butter milk stout from Belching Beaver. Beautiful beer. It tastes like peanut butter. If you like Reese's Pieces, if you like Reese cups, stuff like that, try this beer out. Definitely worth it. I'm getting drunk off of Reese cups. You can't hate that. 95 from me. Absolutely beautiful. A rating from me. Yeah. Let me know what y'all think of this beer. Any other beers from Belching Beaver Brewery. They just came to Canada. Super psyched about that. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Till the next time, cheers.